Lego Minecraft ores. These things are terrible. They are not cubes, like Minecraft style cubes. They are flattened rectangle boxes. They don't even look right. What is this supposed to be? Iron that looks like gold? And well, today I'm going to show you how to make these much better. For this, you will need one kind of ore, because I'm using iron, and a 2x2 light gray tile. Same color as that. Take off the top. Place in the tile and reassemble the top. Making sure to keep the pattern. There we go, this looks much better. Now your Minecraft Steves have better ore to explore with. And if you're making this a part of a cave mock, you can take this off and replace it with another 2x2 tile. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe.